नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज लाइक यहाँ पे जो हम लोग को आउटपुट मिला था हिडन लेयर इंट्रोड्यूस करने के बाद, जो हमने लास्ट सेशन में डिस्कस किया, द थिंग इज लाइक जो आउटकम आया था, जो प्रिडिक्शन आया था, जो बाउंड्रीज मिली थी हम लोग को, दैट्स क्वाइट एक्चुअली like sharp boundary. In short, here I have actually triangle type of thing. So this is the triangle, but I have a sharp triangle actually. But in all the cases, it's not like that. हो सकता है कि एक आधा पॉइंट जो हमारा है वो यहाँ पे से बाहर आ गया. So I need actually cow shape boundary. I want a cow shape boundary. I want. So that's possible by just changing actually activation function. So we discussed some activation function. The function is actually step function, sigmoid function, ReLU, and something like that. So we can just change the activation function. So let me just try to change the activation function. So what we learned up to this, like we have three things. First thing is integration function. So integration function को हमने change किया था. Now we just want to actually introduce more than one actually neurons. So एक न्यूरॉन की जगह हमने बहुत से ज्यादा न्यूरॉन्स इंट्रोड्यूस किए, और उसमें हमारे पास एक सिंपल सा ऑप्शन था, like single neuron से हमारा काम नहीं हो रहा था. Like we have some problems. Sometimes problems we cannot solve by just introducing a single neuron, and that's actually like extra table. We just take two examples, extra table and second वो रंगोली टाइप का डिजाइन था हमारे पास, उसको हम सिंगल न्यूरॉन से सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे थे. then the solution is either you can change the integration function. So you just try to change the integration function. Another thing is like ensemble of neurons. So हमने एक लेयर बीच में इंक्लूड किया था. एंड फाइनली हमको जो आउटपुट मिला वो हम लोग थोड़ा सा और चेंजेस करना चाहते हैं कि सर एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन को चेंज करें. तो so now let me just change the activation function, and we just change the step function to sigmoid function. What the step function just says, the step function is quite simple. Whatever the integration function you have, so consider मेरे पास एक integration function है. Sorry, मैं integration function actually use कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, that is sigma I xi sigma wi xi. I am using this integration function. Okay, I am using this integration function. I am using. So now what's the thing, like I have a threshold that's actually 0, and I am using step function as an activation function. मेरे पास guys दो चीजें हैं, एक तो है मेरे पास integration function, एक है मेरे पास activation function. Okay, activation function will just predict, oh outcome is 1 or 0, and prediction in the sense it will whatever the prediction हम लोग उसको yi बोला था. Okay, and what is the actual value, that is actually known as pi. So स्टार्ट करें. स्टार्टिंग में हम लोगों ने ऐसा कुछ एल्गोरिथम पढ़ा था परसेप्ट्रॉन, उसमें yi minus ti, that's the error rate, and as per that error rate हम लोग weight matrix change करते थे, weight vector change करते थे. So this is the thing, like this is our actually like integration function. This is nothing but an activation function. Okay, and as per that हम लोग को कुछ changes करना था. So now this is my actually integration function. And what about the activation function? हम ऐसा बोलते थे, अगर greater than 0 इसका आंसर आ रहा है, just predict 1. Okay, और अगर less than equal to 0 आ रहा है या greater than equal to 0 आ रहा है, then predict 1. less than 0 अगर इसका आंसर आ रहा है, just predict 0. So ये जो चीज है, what is that? That is actually an activation function. That is actually an activation function. And here we are just taking one step, like either 1 or 0, either 1 or 0. That's actually nothing but a step function. So now I want to just change this step function to sigmoid function. So now let me just introduce the sigmoid function. So this is the sigmoid function. Okay, activation function में भी step function की जगह हम sigmoid function use कर रहे हैं. So this is the same, like step function ऐसा कुछ output दे रहा था. If activation of f in the sense integration. So if the value of integration is greater than 0, the output is 1. Otherwise the output is 0. ऐसा कुछ हम लोग work कर रहे थे, but अब sigmoid function introduce कर रहे हैं. So now in sigmoid, this e is nothing but a constant. What about this f? F is nothing but an integration function. So what is the value of integration function? Right now, let me consider once again w, like sigma of wi xi. We are just using a same sigmoid function. Sorry, same integration function we will use. हम लोग integration function same use करने वाले f. But now as an activation function, I will just move to actually step to sigmoid. Okay, and what about this e? It's a constant. What about this lambda? So let me just change the value of lambda. So guys, अगर हम step function use करते हैं तो हम लोग कुछ ऐसा outcome मिला. It's a triangle. Okay, it's a triangle which actually sharp edge. So now whenever you will just change the like step function to sigmoid function as an activation, and if you will just change the value of others, tune the parameter value of tune the actually parameter lambda. Like here I have the samples of lambda equal to 3, lambda equals to 10, lambda equals to 5, lambda equals to 2. Just observe as with the different values of the lambda, हम लोग को triangle की जगह actually कुछ cow shape output में मिल रहा है. So अगर आपके पास lambda की वैल्यू ज्यादा है, like here the lambda equals to 10, then it gives a quite good actually triangle with the curve shape, triangle with the curve shape. Just check this thing. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे तो आपको आउटपुट पता चलेगा. ये actually shape 2D का 3D किया हुआ है, but just check this thing. So here we have a triangle with actually sharp curve. Okay, here we have a triangle with not with the sharp curve, with the curve actually edges. Triangle with the curve edges. So is it fine? So we can just change the activation function also. Okay, so let me just take an example. हमारा जो previous example था, like here we have a single hidden layer we have, and here we have one more neuron that is actually, you can say that this neuron actually will get the input from like hidden layer and will predict something. Okay, so now let me just change the activation function from step function to sigmoid. Okay, 1 minute, yeah, fine. So now this is my input x1 and x2. This is my input x1 and x2. Let me just note down something. First thing is, यहाँ पे मेरे पास integration function क्या है? So integration function is nothing but in sigma wi xi. This is my integration function. This is my integration function. And what about my actually activation function? So activation function is actually 1 upon 1 plus e raised to 1 upon 1 plus e raised to minus lambda f. What will be the value of lambda? You can tune that lambda value. Okay, lambda की value हम कुछ भी रख सकते हैं. That's like कोई एक मॉडल अगर आप ट्रेन कर रहे हो और अगर आपने पहले से lambda की वैल्यू 2 रख दी, so that's the fixed value, that's the constant value, you can say. And what about the value of this e is all these constants. And what about the value of f? Guys, हम लोगों ने जो integration function रखा है. So fine, now let me start. So now ये x1 x2, these are my feature value. Okay, these are my feature value. Let's consider, हम लोग हमारे पुराने example पे चले. So here I have some values of x. काफी ठीक है. 1 minute now. So here we have the value of x actually. Consider this, we have 4 different points. We have 4 different points. So उसमें हमारे पास 2 features थे, x1 and x2. So right now मैं एक table को consider नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Let me consider x1 and x2 are nothing but in the features. x1 and x2 are nothing but the feature value. तो उसकी जगह आप different points put कर सकते हो. That's that. So x1 and x2 are nothing but a feature value. लेकिन जब आप ये data पहले neuron को दे रहे हो, this is my first neuron, this is my second neuron, and this is my third neuron. So as we know, feature value directly pass नहीं होती. What we have to do, we have to just pass actually some weighted vector also. So यहाँ मेरे पास x1 के लिए weight vector है w1 and w2. Okay, जब first neuron जो मेरे पास है, first neuron पे जब मैं x1 and x2 pass करूँगा, at that time x1 x2 को actually मुझे इस तरीके से कुछ data pass करना है with actually this integration function. So I need this w. So w, consider w is actually nothing but in w1 w2. W is nothing but a w1 w2. So यहाँ पे जब input होगा इस neuron के लिए, first neuron के लिए जब data input होगा, so like this f will be w1 x1 w2 x2, w1 x1 w2 x2, and that we consider lambda is equals to 1. Let me consider lambda is equals to 1. So lambda की value 1 consider करेंगे, then equation will be 1 upon 1 plus e raised to minus f. What is the value of f? So it consider like it depends how many features you have. In this example, I have 2 features, x1 x2, and for that first neuron, the weight is actually nothing but in w1 w2. So here the equation will be 1 upon 1 plus e raised to minus w1 x1 plus w2 x2. Is it clear, guys? Is this clear? Now in a similar way, for the second neuron, let me consider weight vector value is nothing but an actually k1 k2. Weight vector value is nothing but a k1 k2. So what will be the equation? So it depends on actually integration function. So integration function is nothing but a like wi xi, but the value of w is actually k1 k2. So the answer will be 1 upon 1 plus e raised to minus k1 x1 plus k2 x2. Okay, 1 upon 1 plus e raised to minus k1 x1 plus k2 x2. That's that. So now consider the final thing is the outcome of the first neuron is L1, the outcome of the second neuron is L2. So that's nothing but an input for this, that's nothing but an input for this neuron, third neuron. That is nothing but an input for this actually third neuron. So now what we have to do, finally for the third neuron, this will be the weight value. Okay, this will be the weight value. And what about this one? So this is nothing but an actually input value for this third neuron. So whenever you just do some mathematical task, this will be the final value for this third neuron. Okay, 1 upon 1 plus e raised to minus L1 upon 1 plus e raised to minus W1 x1 plus W2 x2 plus L2 upon 1 plus e raised to minus K1 K2 K1 x1 plus K2 x2. So guys, still we just consider the value of lambda is 1. If you have a value of lambda is 10 or value of lambda is 5 or value of lambda is 3, then this will be quite complicated one. Okay, so guys, मैंने एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन को कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्यों किया? The thing is like स्टेप फंक्शन डायरेक्टली प्रेडिक्ट कर रहा था 1 और 0. Now consider अगर मैं यहाँ स्टेप फंक्शन यूज करता, okay, and step function in the sense what? Step function just say like whatever the value of this one, मतलब whatever the value of f, so consider the value of f is greater than equals to 0, output is 1. Okay, output is 1. Otherwise, if the value of f is less than 0, output is 0. So it just say 1 and 0, that's that. So now let me just say like the outcome of this one is actually 1 and output of this one is actually 0. Output of first neuron is like 1 as per the W1 x1 and W2 x2, and as per the K1 K2 K2 x2 the outcome of the second neuron is 0. Okay, are you getting my point? यहाँ पे 1 output है, यहाँ पे 0 output है. Now let me just forward this data 1 and 0 to this actually third. So what did just say like 1 into whatever the like 1 into whatever the outcome of this first neuron, whatever the outcome of the first neuron, and like what about the next one? It is actually the outcome of this one will be 1 because here there is a 1. Okay, and 0 into the outcome of the second neuron. So outcome of this one will be 0, and that is nothing but an integration function for this actually third neuron like WIXI. WIXI. So W in the sense that's a weight matrix. So weight, and यहाँ पे हम लोग को weight क्या मिला था? First neuron का output 1, that will be the weight for the third neuron. Second neuron का output 0 है, that will be the weight for the third neuron. So हमने यहाँ पे लिखा W की value 1, W की value 0, feature 1 is actually whatever the output of this one, feature value whatever the output of this one. तो उसकी value यहाँ पे तो 0 consider होगी, this one will be considered as F1. So we will just predict, oh, the outcome is nothing but an actually F1, or otherwise outcome is nothing but an 1 because the outcome is greater than equal to 0. Outcome is greater than equal to 0, so third neuron will predict the 1. So it is similar to the first neuron. Almost it is similar to the first neuron, and in the sense the third neuron will predict will just accept the outcome of either the first neuron or the second neuron. That's that. Because my activation function is a step function. My activation function is a step function. So what we did, we just changed the activation function from step function to sigmoid. Yeah, but obviously it's quite complicated, but the outcome will be more accurate. So is this fine, guys? So you can just modify the activation. You can just change the activation function too. That's up to you, but we can just change the activation function too. Is this clear to everyone? कोई problem यहाँ पे? मौलिक sir, Vijay sir, Prithvish?
No problem, sir.
Fine. Now, guys, let me take one more example. So here in this example, I have some triangles with the filled one and actually only border value is there. Otherwise, you can say that actually white filled and black filled. So we have two type of triangles. Okay, filled and empty one. Now I want to just use either of the model. It's a classification problem, so I want to use either of the problem to just classify this two. So let me just use the decision tree. So it is quite hard to predict the this data set. Otherwise, like it is hard to classify this data set using the decision tree. We cannot use the decision tree. You can use, but outcome like accuracy आप लोग को नहीं मिलेगा. In a similar way, we cannot use the KNN and actually something like that is not good. But obviously, SVM is good. और वो भी हम लोग कर्नल ट्रिक्स अप्लाई करते हैं तो let me just apply our neural networks. So guys, this will be the outcome. Okay, इस तरीके से कुछ हम लोग को outcome मिलने वाला है. So now this is not a similar actually diagram. यहाँ पे actually हमारे पास दो ही feature values थी, attribute 1 and attribute 2, but you can just like accept that कि हमारे पास 4 input की जगह सिर्फ 2 input है. Okay, and we just introduce some hidden layer here. Once again, we just introduce one more hidden layer, and here this is nothing but an actually neuron which actually predict the outcome. So because of this one, हम लोग बहुत easily इस data set को classify कर सकते हैं. Because in actually neural network, or in we can say that in ANN, we have to just learn a weighted vector we have to learn. So हर एक iteration में हम लोग सिर्फ और सिर्फ वो weighted vector को ही change कर रहे हैं. That's the thing. And weighted vector की मदद से हम लोग को जितना हो सके उतना error rate कम मिल रहा है. Okay, so that's the thing. This is something about actually non-linear problems. So how to deal with the non-linear problems. So if you have a non-linear data set, what we can do, we can just change the integration function. Second thing is we can just introduce more than one actually hidden layers we can introduce with more than one actually neurons. And the third thing is we can just change the activation function too. So we have three options, and as per the three options, we can deal with the nonlinear data set. That's that.